Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Our recipe today is peri peri spicy wings, my special peri peri wings recipe. And look at the beauty of this, guys. Absolute ma for me triple double. Let's dip it into my peri homemade peri peri sauce. I use the Nando's sauce as well, but I'll show you step by step. Stay tuned. Okay, muy bari femati ma isil len na quick fix ak bari fem every Wednesday. Aicha, bismillah. So that's our wings. Here all cleaned with lemon and salt. Ñu dal di jël suñu wings yi nak raxas ko bem set ak suñu limon ak xorom. Ah, gis ngeen bem weex ni set wecc. So you can poke it a bit to ensure the seasoning goes in. Right, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. That's my spring onion blended earlier on in that cup there. I've got some garlic, got ginger, mixed herbs and black pepper. I've also got some lemon and thyme and parsley. Muy sun persité, am sun ale, sun gingembre, am sun yeneen xeeti baax baax yéena ma gën a xam muy sun épices mélangées moo nekk nii ci pot bi. So ko defee nag ñu daal nag di ko ci def, and our scotchbonnet pepper to burn it up all the time. I'll list all the ingredients on the screen, so don't go anywhere, guys. And that's some olive oil I've got there, and I'm going to be pouring it into the mixture as well. I'll drizzle my lemon to give it all that freshness, guys. Mbokk yi ñu dugg kër yaama limon sa nal gu miti ga nalante moom limon bi ndax ganaar moom xam nañ ne caajam mooy limon. Waaw nag kon nag kuy tukki mënuloo tukki te amoo visa te ganaar nag moom limon ngay visa yam. Waaw kay ayca niñ ko defee ci Bari Fem Kitchen saa su ne. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, guys, while we're still there, and let's peri these wings and season its ancestors. You know, when it comes to seasoning, we don't leave it, and we have to follow the car until it goes over the wall. At this point, I'm adding the salt, guys, which is my stock seasoning and salt, some smoked paprika as well. I'm also adding my mustard and a tablespoon of honey. Guys, do not forget this. It's the key seasoning to your wings, and this is beautiful. Just try this seasoning. You can keep it in your fridge and just add some oil to preserve it for a long time, so you can use it on your wings all the time and even on some peri peri chicken. So right, I'm going to be processing this in the processor. Mbokk yi ngeen gis ma def fa suñ mel ak suñ xorom gi saf safal gi ak paprika. So the paprika doesn't really matter. If you don't have paprika, you can do it like that because it's already burning up. Ooh la la. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. How beautiful. ñu wàccee tuuti yërmande ci ganaar bi daal di ko clean film. So this is peri-peri sauce and mix it. Voila, voila, voila. Formidable. So we're going to put this in nicely. Make sure all the seasoning is intact. Don't leave anything around. Okay. Okay, bul fàtte nag ma fàttali la laalal ma subscribe button bi nanka foofu. Join the Barifem family. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and look at how good this looks. So we're going to be putting it in the oven. Okay, pare nañ nag su leen neexee ngeen lakka ko si biti ndax gannaaw fii sedda baa fi nekk kon nag duma ko lakka dama ko jël dugal ko si oven bi. I normally bake it between medium heat. 150 is medium for my oven, so it depends on the oven you're using. And put the griller on. You can grill it until you have this color. Look at how beautiful it looks. And I'm just gonna take it out and put it in a bowl. This is where I start to mix my peri-peri seasoning and put it back in the oven and give this the peri-peri vibe. Ooh la la, magnifique. Yep, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of ketchup first. That's my first go-to when it comes to peri-peri, to give it that sweetness. We did add some honey to it, but the ketchup just gives it that tomato vibe. And I've got the Nando's peri-peri hot sauce here as well, so you can use it. And I'm gonna be adding half of the bottle, so I normally say 3 to 4 tablespoons and I end up putting 5 or 6. That's an African thing, I guess. Okay, gis ngeen am nag soo leen amee ketchup muy tomato ketchup ngeen use loolu, or any hot sauce of your choice. If you do not have Nando's sauce, soo leen amutee sauce bi ma use nii, mun ngeen a use beneen sauce rek. Sauce boo leen am mbaa ngeen use seen tomato ketchup ndax season nokkos bi saf na ba pare. Ndax xam naa leen da ngeen di toppa kaa bi te doo leen ma may jaama si comment section bi. Kon nag ku amut sauce bi mun nga koo defee nii, nga jël sa tomato ketchup bi def si tuuti lem, yaa ma gën a xam, saanee ko filfilaale. Su ko defee nag di leen am sun. We will have a homemade peri-peri sauce from Barifem kitchen, so you can use that alternative. That's supposed to be uploaded. Look at how beautiful this looks, guys. At this point I just want to dig in already and it's not done. Yeah, toss and turn. Make sure it doesn't don't over season it. When you're seasoning it, don't touch it till you make sure the chicken is still intact. Just give it a good toss here and there, or you can dip it in like I'm dipping it into the seasoning and let it dip all that peri-peri goodness and put it back in the grill. So let's dip all the chicken in here. Gis ngeen ni ngeen ko dugalee bem am color bu rafet bi muy couleur. Yéena ma gën a xam, xool leen lii tamit dam Barifem daal moom soo trayee tamit di nga ñëwaat ci comment section bi ne ma sa tooga tamit lan la, ndax toogu xale lañ fay def, dañuy fel di felaale, dañoo fox rek nag ewoogul ni ma leen ko waxee. So we put everything back in the oven and give it a nice grill. So at this point you can increase the oven and put it at 200 at this point, because I want it to have a nice crispy peri-peri flavors, all that flavor. This is so flavorsome and nice. If you don't have time, you can use other herbs. I use mixed herbs, which is oregano, mixed herbs, and some parsley and thyme. So it depends, totally depends on you. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Tastes absolutely gorgeous. Look at this sauce. I just put it on the stove and just give it a good stir to make sure everything is cooked here and there, which is the remaining seasoning before you dip in the chicken. Just take out a bit and then put it in this sauce. Look at how beautiful this guy looks, guys. Listen, every Wednesday on Barifem's Kitchen, quick fix with Barifem. If we're not having the live video, wait for your quick fix video. Lii laa leen isi doon si biir Barifem Kitchen. Lu leen si réer ngeen daal di dugg si comment section bi ma mun leen koo jubantil. Kon nag ayca ba beneen Wednesday.